Hey there, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jo and I'm fond of healthy food. I have great baby-friendly recipes that I want to share with you. And for now, I have these great muffins with mascarpone and apples, which are absolutely delicious. For this, you need 250 grams of mascarpone, 2 apples, I cut them in really small pieces, 4 eggs, I separated the white from the yolk, and 140 grams of flour. What you need to do now is mix the white egg till you get a hard foam. All done here. Now I'm gonna mix the yolk with the mascarpone, with the apples and the flour. Now I'm gonna add the white egg and I will mix all the ingredients. Now I'm gonna put the batter in some muffin molds. I will put them in the preheated oven for 30 minutes at 180 Celsius degrees. All done. Let's get them out of the oven. You can take them out from the muffin molds on a plate. Wait until they're not hot anymore and enjoy them. One more thing, they're very soft. Subscribe for more recipes to Jo's Baby Friendly Recipes channel. Turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care. Bye.